I'm super excited this morning because today is our community's festival once a year, and all the men are gathering. They're gonna carry the god from the Shinto shrine through the community. Ohio. So my husband's picking up his happy coat.
오, いろんなデザインがあるんですね。ちょっと選ぼうかな。
場所わかります。
So we're on our way now to the shrine to pick up the god. They're gonna carry it through our community to bless the land and give the farmers good harvest. It's starting to rain a little bit harder. I hope the guys are going to be okay carrying the heavy platform, especially down these stairs. They're kind of slippery. So I'm going to turn the camera off when we get up here, when the priest does his blessing. So right now, the monk isn't here yet. The men are just preparing everything. I'm setting up the shrine. And they've got the back room open first, and I've never seen that. Usually the curtains are closed across the back room. And they're putting up these woven ropes going across all the doorways.
ちょっとこっち来すぎだった。だいたいこの辺やったね。
My husband's getting concerned about the weight of all this. I don't know if they're all go on the same platform to carry or
そうそう、これはや。ほんで、話を決めたら。So we just finished the ceremony with the monk, which was very beautiful. I was invited to sit down with all the men and had a ceremony with chanting and drumming and flute playing, really amazing. But because of the rain, they decided not to. Chants having anybody get hurt or hurting the shrines, so they've decided to not parade them through the community. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.